Happy 4th of July. It's Jeanette from Rachael's Culinary team. I'm celebrating Watermelon Palooza from my brand new kitchen. And I am so excited to show you my ideas this year. We are gonna make a watermelon carving. Get it? We're gonna make a car out of this watermelon. I like to use a little serrated knife. And I just cut a very skinny portion off. And that gives us our foot. Now our watermelon is very stable. I've got a sharp paring knife. I'm just gonna cut the top off in a circular motion. I've got my melon baller and I've got some beautiful fruit salad that I just cut up there. And so I'm gonna just ball out the top of this melon just to get those really nice pretty circles at the top. I always like to keep an extra bowl on hand and I like to empty it out and get all of the juice in there. And then when I kind of have that first layer of melon balls all out, I then take my melon baller and I scrape it to get another even layer so that I get some pretty melon balls. See, you do not want to throw that part away. I like to save it and I like to run it through the blender and strain it, and then I make beautiful watermelon juice. So our car that we're making today was inspired by a birthday gift that Rachael gave my son James. Rachael sent James a little ride-on convertible. He's one, he just turned 1. And I was like, that would be the perfect 4th of July carving. You see, it's nice and flat inside, perfect for our fruit salad that we're gonna serve from it. We are going to use the top piece that we cut off. This is actually gonna be our windshield. So I am going to cut this in like thirds, and I'm gonna use the top 2/3. It's gonna go up like this and be the windshield. But I thought, so I'm gonna scrape all of this watermelon out so it's nice and flat. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the melon baller and I'm gonna scrape the skin off so you get a little bit of like a contrasting color. See that? And then I'm going to cut out the middle piece, because on a convertible you can really just see the outer rim of the glass. A little shot glass toothpick. So I'm gonna stick one end here, one end here. Stick this in on a little bit of an angle. Now, this car needs some wheels, right? You're gonna take a orange. Now, if any of you guys have trouble getting your kids to eat fruit, I say if you turn it into a car, I bet you're gonna get them to eat a little bit more fruit. And look, there we go. We're already off to the races. I've got a lemon here, and I think some bright, shiny headlights would be perfect. Now we are gonna take pieces and we are gonna make those the rear view mirrors on the other side. And we are going to give this car a little license plate. Fill it with some fruit salad and get it on the table.